What do you call a waffle on a California beach? San Diego. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make some Grinch waffles. And what you'll need is some vegetable oil, some flour, some sugar, some milk, and some baking powder, and some eggs, and some green food coloring, and then some sprinkles, but you don't have to add the sprinkles if you don't want to. Alright, then we need 2.5 cups of flour, it was nice when you stuff out, you want to pour some out and level it out, and then you pour some in and level it out until you have the correct measurement. And there's 2 cups of flour. I just need to add 1/2 cup. And there's 1/2 cup. Alright, and then we need 2 tablespoons of baking powder. And there's 1 tablespoon. And there's a 2nd tablespoon. And then we need 1/3 cup of sugar. Oh, jeepers. Okay, that's a little bit too much. There's a 1/3 cup. Alright, and then we need 2 1/4 cup of milk. And then there's 2 cups right there. And then there's 1/4 cup. And then we need 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Alright, and then we need to crack these eggs open into this bowl. And the trick to getting these open is by cracking on the side like this, and it should be a crack we spill it over. There should be a crack. That, and then we're going to take a whisk and beat it up. And it should look something like that. And then we are going to pour that in. Alright, and then we are going to mix all of these ingredients up together. And with mixing stuff up, you want to get as mixed up as good as you can get it. Alright, and once those ingredients are mixed together, it should look something like this. And the batter should be kind of a little liquid. And now we're going to add the green food coloring. And you can add the amount that you want. And you can really use any shade of green that you want to use. And then we're going to mix that together. And then this is what it looks like with the green food coloring in it. And now we are going to add some sprinkles. And with the sprinkles, you can add the amount that you want to add. Alright, then we are going to mix that together. With the sprinklers, you can add any type of sprinkles that you want to add. If you want to, you can add some mint extract to it to have a minty flavor to it. And you can add the amount that you want. And then we're going to mix it all together. It smells so good. Right there. And now with the next step, we need the waffle iron and heat it up according to its instructions. Then we're going to open it up. And then we need to spray it with cooking spray. Take some of the batter and then pour it in here. And try and get to where all parts of the waffle iron have about the same amount of batter. Then we are going to close that. And then we're going to cook it in that waffle iron until it's all ready to go. And then you keep on doing that until all of the batter is used. With the waffles, every time you take the waffles out of the waffle iron, you have to spray the waffle iron again and put a new batter. And we spray the pan again. waffles are all done, it should look something like this.